Let's build a modern action bottom sheet in Jetpack Compose with edit, duplicate, delete, and cancel actions.
Open Canva for action illustration. Size 120 x 120 px. Search lightning action in elements. Change its color. Add and recolor the circle.
Send it to the back layer.
Align its position. Search floating action in elements. Apply color. Send it to the back layer.
Add 3 action buttons the same way.
Export as PNG and remove the background with remove.bg.
In this tutorial, we'll create an action bottom sheet UI in Android Studio using Kotlin and Jetpack Compose.
Use remember and mutable state off to control bottom sheet visibility. Added a Material 3 button to open the action bottom sheet. Use modal bottom sheet to create a modern bottom sheet UI. Customize the sheet with rounded corners and a drag handle. Added a Canva illustration using the image composable. Use spacer to maintain consistent spacing. Display title and subtitle using text composables. Created reusable action cards with a custom action item composable. Use material icons for edit, duplicate, and delete actions. Use text button for the cancel action. Final output. Logical tips? And that's it! Our modern action bottom sheet is ready with reusable actions and a clean Compose UI.